Hi guys, I hope you're having a lovely day today. Today I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of June right here. This little bag costs $13 a month. It's been a hot minute since I've unboxed any kind of a subscription. So I'm so happy to be back with a new unboxing video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so this is the little bag. I am so happy to be unboxing my Ipsy bag. I've been receiving them, but I just haven't recorded a video in a while. So I'm happy. If you've watched me before, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here. And let's take a look in here. The bag is adorable this month. Very summer vibes. So this one's yellow and there's like a cute little, I guess orange slice. Yeah, super cute. And according, like I'm looking in the website, there were 3 color options you could get. There's a pink, a hot pink, a purple, or a yellow. So it's cute. I like the yellow. I don't like when they have options because I would have preferred pink, but it's still adorable. And you have the zipper details are like pink and purple. So I think it's really cute. And let me see if I get the little card out. So how are you guys? What's going on with you? What's your favorite subscription at the moment? I haven't unboxed anything in a minute. So let me know. What's your favorite at the moment? What's winning for you? Because I'm actually kind of out of the loop when it comes to subscriptions. But I love this little bag. I always mention because it's only $13. So I feel like you always get like a nice value for what you pay. So the little card for the month of June says show your colors. Very nice. Colorful. It is Pride month, so that's really awesome. And let's see, I did have some really nice choices, but let me show you guys what I got. The first thing in my bag is a makeup product, and it is by the brand Ace Beauté. So this is the Ace Beauté blushed up blush in Peachy. The packaging is adorable and one of my favorite things ever. I love tiny packaging and also like very detailed packaging. Oh, so cute. Now on their website, I'm looking here, I have the page opened. It looks peachy, just like the name says, peachy, but I hope it will show up on my skin. So let me see. Okay, I love these tiny blushes. They're just so nice and travel friendly. Okay, does not look, well, okay, it might work. First, let me show you the little compact. Super cute little compact, right? Here's what it looks like up close. Very neutral, but I'm gonna swatch it and see it. Okay, so it is transferring like pretty peachy. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's like pink peachy, but it is a very pretty color. I like that it's matte, not super shimmery, and I think I'll get some use out of it. It is very pigmented, honestly, and it went on really nicely. It feels nice and smooth, and overall all the products that I've tried from Ace Beauté in the past, I've really enjoyed. So that's a really nice product to receive. Let's see what's next. Okay, so the next product is also a makeup product, which I'm loving, and it is by the brand Half Caked, and is the Half Caked Mirror Pressed Highlighter in the shade Fortune Faded. Cute. I love it. Really tiny little compact. There you go. Very pretty colors. And the color is very pretty shimmery. It's almost like a gold, very light gold. I hope it's not too yellow toned. Let me swatch it actually. Wow, that's very bright. Very pretty. See, those two together actually go really nicely. The blush and the highlighter. Very pretty. I hope you can see. Is it focusing? There you go. See, the highlighter is very pretty, very bright. And with that blush, I think it goes perfectly. I love it. So far, these 2 products are really nice. Again, for only $13. And they're so adorable, so cute, so travel friendly. Let's see what's next in this bag. But so far, it's a winner. Next is by an awesome brand. It's a Milk makeup product. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I know this is it went viral and everyone swears by it. I have never tried it. I have been trying their setting spray, and I love that. For my dry skin, it's really nice and hydrating and it works really well. Let me try to open this up without breaking it. I can tell it's already gonna be like a tiny one. In this bag, you mostly get like deluxe sample sizes, sometimes full-size products, but oh, that's actually not bad. I think that's an awesome size. I'm not gonna squeeze any out because I don't want to waste it, but I've heard amazing things about this product and I'm gonna try it out next time I do my makeup. And it's awesome to get these kinds of brands. So far I've gotten Half Cake Beauty, which I knew of, Ace Beauty, and Milk Makeup in my $13 bag. That's really cool. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer before, because I know it's very popular. Let me know if you liked it. Did you enjoy it? I wonder how it will work with my very dry skin. We have 2 more products in here, and the next one is another makeup product. This is really, really awesome. I have the Nomad Cosmetics Iceland Fire and Ice eyeshadow, intense eyeshadow. I love Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadows. I was introduced to them through Ipsy, and I just really, I really love their formula. It's so creamy. Just their color stories are also very unique and interesting. A lot of times, a lot of companies do a lot of very neutral color stories, and I love how they really are very creative with their eyeshadow palettes. That's the little compact, and I do have a lot of these tiny little compacts. I have eyeshadows, highlighters, and things from them that I use all the time. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. So this is the shade okay, so I guess this is from the Iceland Fire and Ice eyeshadow palette, and this one is Alfine, something like that. It's a very, very beautiful purple color that is really, really pretty, and I have to swatch it. Wow, that is gorgeous. I wish I would have put that on my eyes today. My eyes are not really purple, no, more like a very soft lavender with brown. That's what I went for today. But this purple, it's like soft, but also almost like neon, I want to say. Very pretty, and I feel like it's a really nice color for summer, like to throw on your lids. Like use browns and soft colors and then just throw this as a shimmer on your lid. Beautiful. I love it, and I love how tiny it is. I love that product. Okay, what's next? The last product in my little bag here is the Kapos NYC Lip Potion. It's an overnight lip mask. Interesting. So it is an overnight lip mask. I want to see what it smells like. I have also gotten a lot of products from this brand through Ipsy. I feel like I have like a blush palette that I really enjoy from them. And I don't typically use a lot of lip mask, but I should more often. Let's see. Whoa. So it's very thick. And it smells, I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad. Almost like sweet, but it's not bad. But okay, overall, this was really an awesome bag. Okay guys, so overall I got this adorable little Milk Hydro Grip Primer, lip mask. What was this? Oh, a blush from Ace Beauty, an eyeshadow from Nomad Cosmetics, a little highlighter from Half Cake Beauty. Yeah, 5 little products. I paid $13, and I think these products are awesome. I can definitely see myself getting use out of these all the time. I'm gonna try out the primer next time I do my makeup, possibly. And the blush, the highlighter, the eyeshadow were really awesome. And I think it was just a really nice month overall, and I'm excited for what's to come for next month with Ipsy. You guys let me know what you guys got in your bags this month. How have you been feeling about Ipsy? What's your favorite subscription at the moment? Because again, I'm a little out of the loop. But thanks for watching today's video. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.